Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning. Hope all is well. It's 7:30 a.m. on Friday. NFP Friday. It's July 7th, 2023. It's going to be an interesting hour. Or it's going to be interesting in an hour, 8:30 when the NFP drops, of course, non-farm payrolls. But I'm watching the Dow right now. This 30-minute candle closes in 2 seconds. It just closed now. And new candle will be opening right beside it. Watch now. Here we go. And there it is. There's the new 30-minute candle. Interesting little configuration setting up here. We could put an interim marker right there as a potential new zone resistance or resistance zone. And then watch how this next 30-minute candle behaves. Basically a flat day to a little bit down here this morning. So far on the futures session, of course, which started at 6 p.m. last night. You're watching this now very closely here, guys. I'm looking for a short. I am watching the Three Sisters. This is a stop sell order, guys, right here. Stop sell or sell stop. I'll be looking for 25 points on this and risking 25 points. The 1-to-1. Right there. I'm just going to make sure my brackets are in the right place here on my own platform. Sell, stop. And then let me show you just going to put that there for now. The Three Sisters. NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. The three main U.S. indices. A little choppy looking candles, of course, on the Dow here, especially at this time of day, 7:30. Low volumes being traded right now, for now. I think there's going to be a lot of waiting around until NFP, which is in just under 1 hour. I'll put you on pause for now, guys, and I will bring you back. Pause. All right, guys, I'm back. I just had to step downstairs for a few minutes, and while I was gone, triggered in. So here we go. This is the short that I was telling you about. We had a nice push up here into that wick, which was just a perfect wick rejection to go along with the ensemble that we already had over here, if you can see that. So the actual entry, of course, I'm just going to move this over, is there. That's what we got triggered just a couple minutes ago. And now I'm waiting for this thing to push down to give us a nice 25-point winner to start the day. Let's see if we can make that happen. Put the microphone on mute for a second here, and we'll watch this together. I'll put you on pause for a moment while this plays out. Kind of sluggish right now. It is 8:03, and of course in 27 minutes we have non-farm payrolls. I will not be in this trade at that time because that can be very dangerous. I'll put you on pause now. All right, guys, watching closely. 8:16. We're moving down here now. 8:16, and of course NFP is at 8:30, just in a few minutes. I'd like to see this trade finish up before that. This is a zone reversal trade. It's also a trend continuation in a way. Down, right, up, almost full retracement, and then continuing back down again. But I'll categorize this as a zone reversal, probably the easiest to identify, especially if you're new to my material. So that's what we'll go with here. It's a 2-minute chart on the right hand side, 1 hour up in the top left. Pardon me, 1 day in the top left. I was looking at a different screen while I was saying that. 1 day always up in the top left is the daily chart, and then 30 minutes bottom left hand side. That will sometimes be a 15-minute chart or a 10-minute, usually the 30-minute in this environment with a low VIX. If VIX gets above 20, I might move to a lower time frame here, but this will be probably fairly fixed at 30 for the time being. First trade of the day. As we get closer to non-farm payrolls, of course, I will tighten my stop and or just manually close the trade. I will not be in this when the announcement is made. I'll put you on pause for now. And driving down a little bit here, guys. Watch this now. Looking for those 25 points just to start the day here before non-farm payrolls in about 6 minutes. Can we get a final push here before this announcement comes out and slams us one way or the other? Let us see. One more push. Come on. I'm gonna tighten my stop now, guys. Oops. Just moved that a little bit. There you saw it jerk around a little bit. I don't know why it's doing that, but kind of moved my entry a tad. But it's close enough. Tightening my stop now to right here. Way down lower. Can we get that final push? Tell you what, we're getting awfully close here, guys, so I'm going to move this now to 20 points instead of 25. So we basically just have to get back to where we were there, just drop back down to there. Here we go. Nope. No luck. Going to move it to 1 minute chart so we can see it more clearly. It has to break the bottom of that one just to get back. $8:25 now a.m. A little too close for comfort here. Sometimes there's a flurry just in advance of the release as well, and so this could absolutely come flying back up and take me out, and that's fine if it does. Trade idea is still very much intact. And just being patient here, guys. Really the name of the game. Once you have a profitable methodology, of course, being patient for the sake of being patient is not going to do anything. It will actually cause a lot of pain. I think you get the idea. So watching here, looking for that push down. I can put it back on the 2-minute now, so now you can see this candle on its own. So I may need to close this manually here just to save the potential for bigger loss. One and a half minutes left. All right, now loving that push up. Moving stop to break even. Stop to break even. You can't see it as break even, but it is break even now on my own platform as well. Trade idea, structure still intact, but not looking promising on those last couple of shift candles. And by the way, I'm always looking at the Three Sisters too, and these are not supporting the move. This is the Dow, the one that I'm in, of course, and you'll see that S&P and NASDAQ have been a little bullish here, to say the least. And now we're getting a little fluttery. Watching now. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Stop is still a break even. And done, guys. I'm out. 25 points. I need to shut this thing down now. The trade is done. Okay? Just watch and see what happens here just for fun in the next 20 seconds, guys. I'm going to pause you for the next couple of seconds. All right, 5 seconds. 2, 1, done. Whoa, see, would have been stopped out of there. And there we go. So was it the right thing to do to take the profit and go? Yes, it was. And this thing is just going to go a little crazy now. But you saw what happened there. Thanks for being with me today, guys. The importance of timing and being out of the market, in my humble opinion, in advance of big, important news events as we're seeing here on non-farm payrolls. Have an amazing day. I'm sure we'll see you again a little bit later. That's quite a move we're seeing there now. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.